Welcome to the first devlog of Alien Blaster. It's a hyper-casual survival game where you constantly shoot enemies. It's just like those games you see in ads, but this game is only focused on that and nothing else. The game still has a story to keep things interesting. The story is about an astronaut who fights with aliens to protect his crew members. The game has simple mechanics where players control the astronaut character and it keeps shooting. Aliens come in waves and it gets harder to kill them with time. Also, common things like sliding gates that make clones and upgrades for guns are included in this game. So first we used some human-looking assets for players and enemies, and then we used a new input system to take input from the user. We could have used the old input system, but using a new one feels easier now. Now that movement controls are set, we make the player shoot bullets from a gun. Here we go with the module approach where we separate the bullet shooting script from the main player script. So then we can use the same one for enemy as well. We also used scriptable objects to store different bullet types, making it easy to customize in the future. So now we have our simple bullet shooting mechanism ready, and we can even reuse it for the enemy as well. And then we started working on enemies. First, we added a simple enemy that walks toward the player without anything to attack or defend itself. It has decent health and is easy to kill. For health management, we used an interface. This way we can implement it on the player and enemy so they both follow the same pattern to maintain health. We also put a simple health bar on top with a canvas. Then we added one shooter enemy using the same shooter script we made for the player. One fun thing we added is that if players and enemies' bullets collide, then they destroy each other. Not sure if it's something we will keep, but it's fun to have while testing. Then we also added one giant enemy, which is just a simple running enemy with large scale and health. So now we had our basic player and enemy mechanism ready. We also put the spawner logic that keeps spawning new enemies and makes them more powerful with time. Then we started with gates. It's the thing that either gives the player more clones to help in the fight or takes out any clone it already has. The player must shoot at the gate to make it go in its favor. Since gate and enemy both walk toward the player, so we reuse the same code by making one abstract class that handles movement for both enemy and gate. So we used it on both, and now gate is moving just like the enemy. Then we update gate logic so that whenever the bullet hits the gate, its numbers increase and get positive and change color. The thing about clones, we wanted them to spawn and make a circle around the player, like a shield. So to get that, we use ChatGPT to make some logic that gets us the location for the next clone to make a circle. In the end, we got some casual mechanics working for the game. Next time we will try to add some music and particle effects and maybe actual astronauts and aliens rather than just placeholders. And Akshit is a member of our team who worked on this game, made all the mechanics. Please check out his work. The link is in the description. And if you want to see how we use AI-generated 3D models and make the game look like this, just stay tuned for next devlog. So that's it for this devlog. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Bye-bye.